Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, introduce my name is Sulistiawa Yuningsih. My number 19-03045. I study at the Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta, and in this video I will explain about an essay entitled Application of Information Technology in Improving the Effectiveness, Efficiency, and Productivity of Plantation Companies. Plantation accounting is one of the accounting fields that requires special treatment and is different from other accounting fields. This difference occurs because there are many different accounts that must be recorded, so that plantation accounting gets more special treatment than other accounting fields. What is meant by plantation is the business activity of managing or breeding hard plants such as coconut, oil palm, rubber, mahogany, tea, cocoa, coffee, and so on, with the aim of getting results for the next several years or period in accordance with the biological act and production act of each plant. In the face of increasingly competitive business competition at this time, the development of information technology has a very large impact on the competitiveness of companies. In order for companies to compete, companies must constantly keep abreast of development and advance in information technology. One of the competitive advantage of the company is using economic criteria with measure of effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. The purpose of implementing information technology for companies is to obtain a value chain of information technology that is useful in all business aspects oriented to increasing the effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity of employees and the company to get the target margin with minimal risk and cost. Advance in information technology not only encourage the flow of global communication, but also support the extraordinary growth rate of information. Computers and information networks accelerate the exchange of thought and information, generate new theoretical ideas, streamline and simplify the research process. Meanwhile, the number of people involved in the production of information will also increase, increasing the amount of information. In today's business world, much bigger companies don't always win the competition against small companies. Information technology is able to provide a competitive advantage to companies. On the other hand, improper management of information technology can also lead to defeat in business competition. An example of using email makes it easy for employees to communicate directly with anyone without having to go through a long chain of bureaucracy and chain of command. In addition, information sent with technology, the information will arrive at the destination in seconds. Efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity philosophy and spirit about productivity have existed since the beginning of human civilization because the meaning of productivity is human desire and effort to always improve the quality of life and livelihood in all fields. Productivity in total or as a whole means that the resulting output is obtained from all input in the organization. These inputs are commonly referred to as factors of production. Efficiency is a measure of comparing the use of planned input with the use of input that are actually implemented. If the actually input is used, the greater the saving, the higher the efficiency level, but the smaller that input that can be saved, the lower the efficiency level. Effectiveness is a measure that gives an idea of how far the target can be achieved. This understanding of effectiveness is more output-oriented, while the problem of using input is less of a major concern. So, the role of information technology in companies, both large, medium, and small companies, requires information system that can integrate information so that it can support company productivity. The application of information technology in the organization must be supported by reliable human resources. Therefore, in an effort to improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity of the company, it can be done by providing skills through training to employees. Mastery of information technology is required to be applied to all production processes and systems and to increase the reliability of managers as decision maker. Okay, so a little explanation from me, hopefully useful for all of us. Thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.